Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking by Natasha. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing product from Amzchef, which is this high-speed countertop blender. Make sure to stay until the end because I'm going to show and discuss the functionality of the blender, what can it do, and also why I chose to use this blender for myself. So without further ado, let's see what this blender can do. One of the things that I like the most about this blender is this upgraded LED panel. As you can see right here, it has some functions. On the right side we have the start and stop button, the pulse function, the menu. Here we have the speed button, and I want to mention here that it has 10 speeds from 1 to 9 and the highest that you can choose from. And also we have the timing right here, maximum 6 minutes, and you can choose from 5 seconds interval, which is very convenient. And here in the middle it also has preset programs which are very useful when you are using the blender, so you don't have to choose from the time or the speed, but you are just pressing any of these buttons. As you can see, the design of this blender is very modern. This is a high-speed 2000 watts blender, and it comes with this instruction manual, which I highly suggest you to have a look before using it. This cleaning brush, which is also useful when you are using for smoothies. This is the pusher. Basically it helps you to push around the food which is bulkier. This is the feeder lid right here. This is the actual lid for the pitcher, and also the pitcher itself, which has this nice shape. And also what I like about this pitcher is the fact that it has measurements in milliliters and liters right here, and on the other side we have the measurements in cups and also in ounces, which is very useful for all the type of measurements. Right here we have the motor base. Also at the bottom right here we have this anti-slip legs, which are very useful, especially for a high-speed blender. And this is basically a very solid base. And right here on top we have the menu. So we will start with the easiest function, which is the smoothie. And here I have some bananas, strawberries, mint, and some plant-based milk. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to place everything right here inside the blender, pour the milk, and place the lid on top. From the menu I'm going to choose smoothie and press start. So here we have a delicious smoothie. The reason why I put mint leaves is to show you that actually it grinded everything perfectly, and you don't even see the leaves right here inside. It's just one consistency. Another function that this blender has is ice cream. So here I have some frozen strawberries and bananas. I'm just going to place them inside the pitcher, just like this. Put the lid on top and choose the function ice cream. So this is the ice cream that we have right here. Easy and refreshing. So if you're wondering how to clean the blender, I'm going to tell you one secret. Basically what you have to do is just pour some water inside, place the lid on top, choose from the menu the function clean, and start. Now we are going to give a more difficult task to this blender, which is making hummus. So hummus is one of my favorite dishes, snacks actually I would say, and let's see if it can do the job. And from the menu, I'm going to choose the puree option. As you can see, the picture is done in such a way so it's easy to remove everything out. So these are just a few things that high-speed countertop blender from Amzchef can do. As you can see right here, we have a delicious smoothie with banana and strawberries. As well, I put here mint, and as you can see, there is no traces of mint leaves, which is very good. This is banana and strawberry ice cream. So this blender did an amazing job by grinding basically frozen stuff. And right here we have an amazing and delicious hummus. And again, this countertop blender did an amazing job going through and powering through like hard ingredients and toughest of ingredients. In total, it has 10 speeds. Also, it has 8 functions and programs, including the self-cleaning program, which is very useful in this type of blenders when you have to clean it like properly. Overall, what can I say? I did enjoy using this blender. It is definitely my favorite tool in the kitchen as of now, and I'm going to use it on a daily basis. So with all this said, I do highly recommend this blender. So I'm going to attach a link in the description below for this blender so you can go and purchase it. If you liked this video, I would appreciate if you can like it and also subscribe. This would help my channel a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video with me, and see you in the next one.